Hello, Bobby Cameron coming at you from Dave Smith Motors, and the purpose of this video is a common question we get from a lot of our customers, and it's going to be about window tint. Why we do it, the kind of product we use, and what are the benefits of it. Here at Dave Smith Motors, we prefer to use XPEL XR Black window tint. The reason why we prefer this product is it's going to give you the closest to a factory match. We like to do it within a legal limit, so you're still able to see out the vehicle, but yet you're going to get that privacy, the heat reduction, the blockage of 99% of the UV rays. It also, you'll hear the term ceramic. We prefer the ceramic over as opposed to like a dyed product. The dyed product you'll see fading, kind of like on your neighbor's 84 Monte Carlo. You're not going to get the bubbling and the peeling, and it's really the best product that's out there for our customers. You'll find most of our vehicles equipped with this option. If it's a sold order by chance, you might want to ask for it. We offer it at an exceptional price, and it is an exceptional value here that's installed by qualified technicians that have been doing it for years. As the accessory director here at Dave Smith Motors, I love doing these videos and talking about the exciting products that we have here to offer. So hit the like and subscribe button to follow up on more products that we offer.